Hello, welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. We have a special guest, and he's been a previous guest before. Doug Plantz from AJB, and he's our T&B and ABB rep. So,
Morning.
how are you doing, Dougie?
Good, how are you?
It's been a few, it's been about a week and a half.
Yeah, been a little bit. Been a while since we did our first.
It has.
So,
I don't think we're going to get in that much trouble today, are we? People don't
try
know
not
that,
to.
but behind the scenes, it was kind of fun.
It was. Well, thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
Happy to be here. Happy Monday. We'll go ahead.
Ooh, sharp objects.
See if it says.
How sharp is it? I'm not. Ooh, let me see this. T&B knife. I bet you Doug has plenty for you guys. Just ask for him.
Reach out to your standard account manager. So brought some new items.
Ooh, some tubing.
Liquid tight conduit.
Oh my God.
So we'll start with that, seeing as you were very excited about it. So
It is. It's because of the colors.
it is a pretty blue.
Yep.
So that is our new Type
That
A.
is my brewer's blue almost.
Almost. That is our new Type A antimicrobial conduit. So Type A is non-metallic, so there's no metal jacket. So in an application where it's more dynamic, where it's flexing,
Right.
you're not going to worry about breakage. And we have one of our new fittings on there. So this is our new 316 stainless steel liquid Type A fitting. The big benefit with our new Type A fittings in stainless steel is, in the past, when you put a standard fitting on, it's a reverse thread. So what you end up doing is reverse thread this in, where
This
now
one is not.
this one's not. This one you just loosen the gland nut here, and your conduit comes out. So labor savings, and obviously being stainless steel, going to resist corrosion a lot better than your standard non-metallic fitting.
Right.
So
These look like they would get a little bit of food potential in these, where the stainless is not going to get any type of
right, that's
holdings, but
the problem is you have exposed threads,
Right,
right? And that's where stuff is going to end up gathering, which leads us to our next product.
oh,
So to combat that, as you can see in the standard application with liquid tight conduit, you
Yep.
have exposed threads,
Yes.
right? So we've introduced a liquid tight fitting with a food and bev seal gasket.
Okay.
So it's going to cover the threads, so material won't gather in there. It is made from FDA compliant material. So
and this will cinch in with and it will be tight against
Correct.
each
yeah,
stainless steel.
so you're not going to have the gap in there for food to
Yep.
gather. It's blue because we have no naturally occurring blue foods. So if for whatever reason a particle of that falls down into the food, you're going to notice it visually. Most food and bev processes go through an inspection at the end, either X-ray or metal detection. So it'll pick that up that way.
So what if we're doing blueberries?
Blueberries are not blue.
They're not,
Blueberries are purple.
are they? Why are they called blueberries?
I think we're getting a little off topic here. So the other latest innovation from Thomas & Betts, now known as ABB Installation Products.
I still call them T&B.
I can still call it T&B. A lot of people do. The name's coming back. Is our new two-piece antimicrobial detectable tie. First in the industry. So again, the big benefit with this, it's blue. So visually, if for whatever reason that falls off into your food process, you're going to be able to see it quite easily. The other fun part is
There must be some kind of metal inside of here, or what?
there's metal
so
inside
that it
there.
will be detected in the metal detections and what?
Correct. There's ground up pieces of metal inside the tie.
Okay.
The other thing is you'll see it's magnetic. So if the inspection process at the end of the line is
Where this?
not going to be,
Why? Is that because it's stainless?
you must be an engineer by trade. If you're interested in this, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and we'll get you a sample bag out. Otherwise, you can reach out to your Standard Electric account manager to receive a sample bag.
Excellent.
Encourage you to try them before you buy them. A couple more things.
I want it.
I got more stuff about it. The other thing we came out with, if you're using rigid or intermediate metal conduit to connect to an enclosure.
Looks like a bigger brother to this guy.
Yeah, so this is our new hub with food and bev seals on it. So instead of having exposed threads on your conduit, you'll see that when you insert the pipe, now your threads are protected.
Very nice.
So depending whether or not you're using liquid tight conduit or rigid conduit, we have a solution for you.
Okay.
Two more things from Thomas & Betts.
So what is this, Doug?
So you guys sell Rittal enclosures.
We do.
You guys modify Rittal enclosures, which obviously takes away that NEMA listing.
Looks like a breather of some sort.
So this is our new drain for enclosures.
Okay.
Obviously, in food and bev wash down applications, as good as gaskets are and things of that nature, moisture tends to accumulate inside of. And what a lot of guys are doing is they're just drilling a weep hole in the bottom of the cabinet.
Which one, this already has a weep hole built into it here.
Right. So you're going to either a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch knockout. You're going to thread this in, and now you have a path for that water to exit your enclosure. The nice thing is that there's a couple of different features that we have. If you notice, our threads are split.
Yes.
Where the competitive product, typically the water has to fill over the top in order for it to drain out, where our threads are split all the way down. So as soon as
will start draining
it
right
starts
away.
draining. The other thing you'll notice on the lock nut is notched. So even when this is
You're
cinched
allowing
down,
liquid to flow out.
the liquid will still flow out. And it maintains NEMA 4X for your enclosure.
Wow.
So just, again, another method for us to help food and bev processing, pharmaceutical, comply with safety and best practices. Just to summarize, again, click that like and subscribe button. We'll get you a sample bag of our new TyGenic 2-piece antimicrobial detectable tie, the new drains we have, the new liquid tight connector with the food and bev seal kit, our new Type A conduit, antimicrobial, with our new stainless steel fittings, or our new hub. Please let us know. Reach out to your Standard Electric account manager, and we'll get out to you.
Thanks, Doug. I appreciate you stopping
you.
by. And I really would like you guys to ask our account managers about our T&B products. And make sure you do that like, and we'll get you a sample pack right away. So thank you again for showing up for Unboxing with Bill, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.